Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make interesting decor using these small bottles. But don't underestimate the power of these bottles because we are going to make 4 things out of these bottles. Do you remember what I mentioned in my previous videos while making this decor? So here it is, you can watch that recap. Here I want to mention that not to throw this part because you can make so many things with this part. Yes, you heard it right, and I don't want you to repent for throwing it. Okay. So time has come to use them now. So without much delay, let's see the materials required first. So first we will make the base. We are using tissue roll and cardboard pieces as base, which we made the same in previous videos. Add little POP in acrylic paint, mix well and give one coat of painting. In second coat, make very thick paste of POP and paint and apply on tissue roll. Just roughly run the brush on POP paste to give tree bark finish. To get this color, I mixed Indian red and black. Make marking of tissue roll on cardboard and then convert that marking into an irregular shape as seen in video. Cut the cardboard along the marking. To cover the edges of cardboard, we will use M-seal. Make a thread of M-seal first, apply glue on edges and then stick the thread. After completing sticking the M-seal, now we will paint all irregular shaped cardboard pieces. Then I felt highlighting M-seal part with black color make them look better. Final step to finish the base is to apply varnish on cardboard pieces. You don't have to apply varnish on the tissue roll. Now moving on to the second base. This cardboard piece is a packing came with IKEA furniture. Add little POP in black acrylic color and paint on the cardboard piece. And then dab with sponge to get uniform coat of painting. After giving a coat of varnish, our base is ready. Now coming to the bottles, we will use only half of the bottle. I know you must be wondering, as it is they are small, what can we make with half of it? But after cutting it, if you notice, the top part has a beautiful shape. So first remove the prints on bottles using either nail paint remover or turpentine. Now cut the bottles using the cutter. Add little POP in acrylic color and apply on top part of the bottle. To get this terracotta color, I added little white in Indian red Fevicryl acrylic color. After 2 coats of painting dries up completely, we will make the design using white 3D liner. You don't have to fill the bottle with design as the beauty of the shape of the bottle will not be seen. But don't stop making design wherever necessary, even if it is just simple dots or lines. Final step is to apply varnish on the bottle. Now we will stick this on any cap of a bottle to use them as planters. You can even beautify the cap by adding some jute thread, or you can simply draw some lines on the cap. To stick the bottle on cap, we will use araldite to avoid any leakage of water as we are going to use them as planters. But did you all notice that we stuck the bottle upside down? First place the cardboard pieces over the tissue roll and then you can place the planter over the cardboard. Don't you think this itself is a beautiful decor without plants? Pour some water in planters and add water grown plants. Here I am adding Enjoy Potho's money plant, which survive very well in water. To create that magic, place some tea lights behind the planters and that's it. We are done with the decor number 1. For the next decor, we will stick jute thread on entire top part of the bottle using fabric glue. And we'll paint the bottom part using acrylic color. Here also I am using terracotta color to go with jute color. We will draw the features on this part using 3D outliner and further add more designs on the face to give chic look. Finish making the other bottles with little variation of designs and features. Final step is to apply varnish. Now we'll stick these on other part of the bottle which are covered with jute thread using glue as you're seeing in the video. Now let's display the decor on the base which we made. As the depth is very less, I am placing artificial leaves instead of real plants. They are looking equally cute with plants and without plants, I feel. Can you believe that the bottom part of the bottle is the best option to propagate your plants for using in miniature planters? These plants are surviving in the same container for a long time. Coming to the next decor, we will not paint this bottle with acrylic color. Instead, we will use glass colors on this. So first we will make the outlines of the design to fill the colors. You can make the design step by step to understand how much to do. Here you can use either camel glass colors or Fevicryl glass colors. I extended the design little by little and finished filling the colors. So this is the final look of the bottle. For this decor, I made the leaves using opaque plastic bottle, means not transparent one. Make outline using black 3D outliner and then fill them with glass colors. Cut the bottle into leaves shape. Now the leaves are ready to place in the container. Now we will display this decor using the same black cardboard base. Now this is the trick to place them upside down on tea lights so that they turn into beautiful lamps. Here I am not sure whether the leaves added beauty to the lamps or no. Guys, please let me know your opinion about this. But they are definitely looking bright and beautiful with and without lights on. This is the fourth decor. Here I stuck beads on top rim of the bottle after sticking with jute thread all over. Here I used this part of the bottle to place fancy appetizer pics. As I have these pics with seashells, I stuck some shells on a bottle cap to match with the pics and then further added some wooden beads around the edge. So that's it for today. Felt like a roller coaster ride? Yes, I felt the same, but I thoroughly enjoyed this ride while making and while talking to you. Hope today's video will help you all to explore in reusing waste materials and beautify your houses. This is what Art Around House is all about. My dear viewers, need your support, need your suggestions. So please don't forget to leave your valuable comments in description box below. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.